Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's video, you are going to see how to hide your Snapchat store. So to do that, let's head over to your Snapchat application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over just make head over to your profile by tapping the profile icon and then scroll down and you will find the option of my story. So if you want to make a new story or add to your story, or if you want private story, so what you can do is just to tap on new private story. And if you want a new shared story, you just have to tap on new shared story. So let's go to new private story and make sure you check mark the people you want to add to your private story. I'm just tapping this person and tap on create story and tap on save and then just tap on private story and then create anything you want. So yeah, this is how you can just add your hide your Snapchat story. Hope this video will help you out and we'll see you in the next video.